and CNG Studios, and now let's get this quick. Episode 1, we only had 2 seconds. It's a tie, okay? If you guys didn't know, you could just catch up, okay? So, it's my turn. Okay, Joey. 1. 1 second!
I won!
1 point!
No.
1!
Yes, we got more than you. 2 points. And you got 1. It was a tie first.
Yep. He's getting the drone. He's going up. Run fast. Wow, that was weird. Now it's my turn to get maybe a tie. I don't know. What if it happens? One, 2, 3. 3 seconds. It's a tie, but you still have to go. Since you got 3 seconds, you didn't get a point. I'm sorry, bro. It's okay. Yeah, well, it's my turn actually. Are you okay? Futuring Lazy Gautam. Okay, so that's it for this video. Say bye. Bye. Wait 1 sec.